wasn't born with silver on my plate. I was raised where the hard times taught you how to wait. From a gravel drive to a midnight run, I learned real fast how the work gets done. Had cold coffee mornings and long shot dreams. Held myself together at the seams with a left hand grip and a right side prayer. Kept on pulling when the load got heavy out there. I've seen sunrises through a book-stained glass. Watched years of my life roll by so fast. Missed some birthdays, fought through pain. Still put that diesel hard in gear again. Ain't every lesson come soft or kind. Some get carved